Welcome students, welcome to TSSM group of institute. I am Mrs. Sneha Azankar from Signet Public School New Narre. Today we are going to see the practical from class 9th. The aim of the practical is determination of density of solid denser than water using spring balance and measuring cylinder. So students, we know about that density. Density is the ratio of mass per unit volume. So on that basis we are going to find out the density of the given solid. For this experiment we need some material. The material is measuring cylinder, beaker, overflow can, water. This is the block of solid block, and spring balance. Okay. So now let's see the procedure of this experiment. First of all, weigh the solid block with the help of spring balance. So this solid block hang to this spring balance and take the weight of this solid block using spring balance. So the weight of the solid block is 40 gram. Weight of solid block is 40 gram. So I will write the weight of solid block, that is W, which is denoted by W, is 40 gram. Okay. So the next procedure is fill this overflow can till the overflow level with water. With water, fill this overflow can till the overflow level. Now gently place this solid block into the overflow can and collect the overflow water in a beaker. And now measure this collected water with the help of measuring cylinder. So this collected water is 7.5 ml. So write the collected water, the volume of water that is collected is 7.5 centimeter cube, and in this way repeat the procedure for 3 to 2 times and take the readings of volume collected of water and find out the mass to volume ratio. So by repeating the same procedure for 2 to 3, we have taken the readings for mode 2 and 3, and we find out the ratio of mass to volume, and we have taken the total of this 15.66, and we need to find out the mean density. So mean density is equal to total by 3, that is 15.66 upon 3, and finally we got the mean density, that is 5.22 gram per centimeter cube. So in this way we find out the density of given solid which is more denser than water with the help of spring balance and measuring cylinder. Thank you.